We're going to talk about how to create a good spot for your audio files or audio books to deliver to students on the iPad using a QR code. So when you're in your email, on the right side you'll have this area called Apps. You're going to create a site. Now I went ahead and created a site called Audiobook Test. You simply, when you go to create a site, you hit Create and you name it here, and you can select a template or just go with a blank template. Hit Create, and you should have a site coming up like this, and you should have a spot down here that says Add Files. And if you don't see this part here, you can go up here to More Actions, go to Page Settings, and make sure that you will allow attachments. Click Save, and that should be there. Now we can edit this page. And you can scroll down and add a file. Now previous to this, you should have a file on your computer that is the audio file that goes with a particular book. So this one we're going to hit this and bring the file in. Now that we have the file listed in here, we're going to save our site, and you can add all of these sites in here, all of these different files. And then the student won't really see this because we're going to direct them just to this file. And how we do that is we hover over the download and we right click. If you're just on your Mac and you don't have a mouse, it's a two-finger click. You're going to copy the link address, and now we're going to bring it over to a site titled Google URL Shortener. You just type in your URL box goo.gl. You paste it in here, and this is now shortened to this. And it'll be the last one that we did up here. Now, it tells you what this is going to look like to the general public. Because your iPads will be logged in a Gmail account, this will not appear. It'll go right to the audio file. In order to get the QR code for this, you'll click here under Details, and then you'll have this URL or this QR code. What's kind of cool also is I do believe it gives you kind of a demographic of how many times, or statistics on how many times it's been hit and where it's been hit and what time it's been hit. So you kind of keep a track of how many kids actually listen to the audio. Kind of cool. And on this QR code, you can simply click on it, then you right click on it, save the image, and then you'll be able to bring that into or paste it or bring it into any word processing file like a Google Docs or Word document. And then you can add things to that, maybe a picture of the book, however you want to deliver that to the students. And then when they look at it, they'll just start the QR Reader app, and it'll come right to the iPad as an audio file, and an audio file only.